Hi, Kitty.
Alright, hang again now. I'm going to shut this because
Why? He keeps cleaning them perfectly fine. Okay, Kitty, no more.
we don't want to get sick. No. Bye-bye.
Oh, ring.
Sam, can we get rid of these roses?
Yeah.
Alright, can you do that for me, please? What can be a human ladder?
Yeah.
Both. 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 Let's try to have it before like a human ladder. Kitty, kitty. Come here. Now we won't do it. Both. Now you won't do it. Mm-hmm. I've had enough of cleaning this up.
Oh. Oh.
Here, see the ladder?